In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under limited liability companies. So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic advantages, disadvantages, the solution and liquidation of limited liability companies. We have 3 questions to practice with. In this video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, on liquidation of a public limited liability company, the residual owners are the creditors, preference shareholders, debenture holders, ordinary shareholder, and the right answer is option D, ordinary shareholders. Okay, so the residual owners are the ordinary shareholders. Next question, this one, it says, a major benefit of debtor can derive from using a credit facility is we have goodwill, control, better service, convenience. The right answer is option D, which is convenience. Okay, so next question, which is the last one, is this one. It says, in case of liquidation of a public limited liability company, those that are first paid are debenture holders, option A. So that's the right answer. Okay, so guys, this basically can do problems involving advantages, disadvantages, liquidation and dissolution of limited liability companies for JAMB commerce. We practice with 3 questions for these subtopics. Hope you learned something interesting on the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below. Be sure to give a response. So ensure that parts of the channel by clicking on the button, getting free information and help it yourself. Using exams like your JAMB and other exams for writing. Okay, so I don't know this clip, the next gonna go, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.